Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have a 2014 Honda CrV, and I would like to show you how to replace your turn signal. So first thing you want to do is you have to open the hood, pull the latch, close the door. Now we will have to locate over here inside. There is a handle, the lip, so we have to just pull on it. Then you raise the hood, get the stand, put the stand in place here, like this. So now look, this is your headlight bulb, this is your turn signal. How do you return the turn? How do you get the signal out, the bulb out? What you have to take this bulb and spin it and pull it out. As you can see, it's very simple, nothing complicated here. Next step, you'll have to disconnect the bulb from a connector. You have to do it by pressing the middle insert here, middle piece. You press on it and pull on the light. I have to put you guys here. So you take the bulb, press in the middle, Okay guys, so I had to grab a screwdriver because in my case for some reason didn't want to go, so I press on the middle and then just pull it out. Oh, it's way easier with the screwdriver. You just push it until the back and just pull on it. Okay, like this. So you take the bulb, go to the parts store, get the new replacement bulb, same thing, you put it back in, connect it with connector and wiggle it back in place. Put it in place and then just spin it. Click. That's it. This is how you replace the turn signal. Same thing goes here with the driver's side. Okay, as you can see, very simple procedure. So if this helps, press like and have a great day. Bye.